Now let me play you a tape, okay? Let me play you this nice tape to give you an update of what is going on our NDC camp. Yes, sir. Let's listen to this beautiful tape that I have for you.
No, na me kajira mo se mo jai sa course na mo your page so all the platform and I we be chairman and I answer we be chairman we be so in come we yeah jai sa nyama obi person ye the chairman only negotiation for koyo mo campaign obi person or ye presidential aspirants only negotiation for koyo mo campaign. Enti na me say me impost to be me champion no because me say me champion say me campaign mo be me nye ochina.
Babana wa bisa question aja platform musu wa kwa na say wa bisa question wuti platform musu 80 answer na yede ama me sure say na onu oyiri mu enjoy wo mu picture we mu a wo de wanya baby ase so na onu oyiri beautiful wife mo enjoy wo picture no ewo WhatsApp DP wa waja baby ahye internet dia wo baby wa nyini edi a onu yire beautiful wife wo enjoy wo picture yi ni and then oba be bisan wo platform wo say party constitution na yedi bu o mai ana say o mai constitution na yedi bu o mai. You see, sometimes it's a move back page so na move back kan kwasi asem say a na mo expect say you mu bi yan kan na njira mo the bia one year bia o tin mu wa bodu say na afudwene a oni yiri beautiful one we enjoy wo picture mo uni mo homa ye bi bu o mai wa be bisa question wa ja hoko because what the big D more money be D na mo come on not to na ye bi do na comedy na go be tiamka more money be D e wo Mahama mamu wenu na mo come on not to na bi do no e brem dia mudin enu obe dan nkase anyam wabe bisa kwa siasa mo page so waja hoko enu mo nya wa wo nipa mu ani padi kasa eni toto bebe wa ni edi ni be bisa wo platform so say constitution e di bo mai ana say party constitution e di bo mai wa bodam ni bibia aka amafo ni abro mo come grievances ni bibia aka shut up.
Me sokula mi hun sa question no say dey na o de ho hun say we NDC ni kwasiasema kwa constitution ni edida dey na me di bu hun say me NDC ni me du wa bogi se no e na di hun say me NDC ni nonsense one me ya obi ye so bi kan na ni presem na say o nka bi amasa ka wonu tum but onu so be kan kwasa sema masa be share o platform we so ene bobi ansa Mugabe ohini ba boama ene o nana otu daako se o muntumi kasa bim mesi se o muntumi kasa bim se na da ko mu nyina o mu ho na o mu doje because o mu ni ma se mo nka because they are willing say on be fight am upon agent no but I didn't hang you top ho and top ho ni su no enye is say obe hu omo ana
no na me kaji
Janvo. Happy second independence. Janvo. You see, and then funny but funny. The voice of NDC. You see, there is a saying in the Bible say, the Lord shall fight for you and shall hold your peace. Okay, and that is what is going on. That is summary of everything. That's the summary of everything. And you know, one very friendly guy our NDC mo, on communications team mo. I mean no share radio super. Or a part of regional communications team. And I was a deputy communication officer our constituency back home. He sent me a message our WhatsApp. I saw Michelle them. So it's been a while he has seen me on radio and TV. I say, I'm busy. I'm tight doing some stuff and here. And I say, I was so tempted to ask him, say, how far? Yeah, my position maybe. But I felt, say, no, this is not the time to be mischievous. Maybe when I go back to radio, because channel radio station, maybe Sano. And then maybe Sano on air. And there are politics na air. And maybe Sano. The truth of the matter is, say, NDC is actually I go fire or NDC anymore. People are not happy. Those do na omo grassroots for those do na are so disappointed. Now some of these WhatsApp audios, more will come. They are disappointed because my catcher must say the only people who are happy, our mind we must say, ma or more to only no for any hips. They are the only people who are happy because we are bar what 20 hips in no for there. Any office you go, by force there will be vacancy. A government office in Kwandia, by force you have vacancy. If you don't believe it, go and ask Ansan Sadeli. Yeah. And that is the only requirement these people need. For more Bible say they need. But while we are police station executive, branch executive, when this we are Bema there. Massa. Massa. Your own is Kukobo and Kitinkiti. So I don't even understand why they are insulting an appointee. Are they? Appointee no Obisamu say, oh my do we rule it with NDC constitution and I say nation like a constitution? So you should stop worrying those of them who they have appointed. Now different your party, different government. And it's who are we a branch executive for NDC? Train 5 beds, no. Nguko buono, ni nguko kitikiti no train. And then amonia botres our NDC mo. NDC for. I na bibia mo penu tentem. Sana mo yes na ye kofa shortcut. No shortcut also lasts. Everything mo penu tentem, everything tentem. Aden. Munya botre ma o mampenino. Munya botre. I know say you people are looking at the time we say they are 2 years 9 months. I got 2 years 9 months. She said you have spent 1 year 3 months. Also soon. 1 year 3 months. And by now, when we say they are not yet speaking about reshuffling, they say Kofa Mushechi honum de Jinyami plastic chairs. Minister of Defense, any Minister of Science, Technology and Environment were in a disaster. Almost 8 months near. No replacement. Almost 8 months, so no replacement. It should tell you, oh yeah, NDC branch executive, NDC police station. It should tell you something. It's a minister position, they don't want to replace people who have expired. And God knows why. By now, we'll be now why just had salary edition about. Yeah. With NDC is possible. NDC is possible. Because you ask yourself, say, how is it say on my say Ghana? Most especially at the time they say all these wars are happening around us. Our country, we don't have a minister of defense. And the president is not showing any sign of making an appointment anytime soon. Aden sikani wana. Sikani o. Sikani wa munken. But I don't think sikani won there. It is simply because there is something that they don't want us to know. They don't want you and I to know. There's definitely something that they don't want you and I to know. Yeah. And the sad day I'm on WhatsApp platform say, mu appointees na. And it won't go anywhere. It isn't going anywhere. People should relax. Oh, they are reporting their live at Power Tap. Why? Let's power tap. They are reporting their live. Let's power tap. Right? So this is not what is going to change the mind of His Excellency John Mahama for him to come and then kind of say, give you jobs and all. No. It applies to everybody. If you say MPP for it applies to more branch executives, polling station executives, all of you. Nobody is listening to you. Nobody at all. So the earlier you start looking for a place for Nkukobonu, the better for you. Now, if you really think Nkukobonu a idea be a reality, so all the best to you. Good luck to you. By the time you realize December 2028. Yeah. And we'll be there to remind you, say, yeah, we told you. Say, Kai. Me, I'll ask you, say me Kai. So I said, say, look, 2028, all MPP needs is for us to do our homework well. That's all. As for the voting there, hunger, come. It will send people to the polling station and make them vote for MPP. Yeah. Because when you look at the way things are going right now, they started giving themselves excuses. To say, there is no plan in place and there is no future in sight for this government.
Any relevant question be no because that now I start to so no can the name no can say from Ghana ufri Ghana Israel 7,185 kilometers 7,185 kilometers and ufri Ghana so Iran so 9,371 kilometers. And also no Ghana to Iran. You know, you muni bia. NDC for the omu abakwasemo. Me, my transport juma more than 15 years in here. Now NDC time from 2015 to 2016, fuel shortage, trotro any taxi for near fuel. Enkoye juma. Satam na to yenchembia mayo na the ABC from next 2 weeks ekono. Any increment of fuel nkwana eba o. Ebe create artificial fuel shortage. Me say ukuta osika nso nya fuel nto Ghana ha. Yes, ABS da. NDC president Yewura Mahama Kroya 2015. They was say me boy no be challenge me because me trika for more than 15 years. Commercial car.
Sorry, 1 minute. Dr. Perfect Akwaba, about me 1 minute. Or say 9,371 kilometers.
I know Iran. I know from Ghana to Iran and Ghana to Israel. Ghana to Iran no and 9,371 kilometers from Ghana to Iran. And Ghana to Israel 7,185 kilometers. What the hours Ghana to Israel no 103 hours. And our Ghana to you can say Iran also 129 hours 32 minutes. So what you say? Eto su biem. Me see omo wa bakwasem because fuel shortage. E wo Ghana ha e ma me namfuo binom kra Robert kwaji omo car because of fuel shortage. Eti enya nwanwa me see from next 2 weeks e kono enye fuel no kwa na e beto no e bia petrol ko to no 1 liter per 15 cedis and answer 1 liter per 18 cedis o. Unye bi kra no ato. Unye bi e na wato. Omu mafu a shorty gas be shorty ma mo ye choba ma mo ton bread ni adade mo ko cylinders bibre na mo ko fele nsi wo ye tro driver Uber driver taxi driver nso a tanker ene ayi bia ko pe ko 4 gallons ni bi anase ne ko pe besia ne ko to diesel ana petrol efesi wo because NDC for enim wo mu no de me say by the end of them this month in fuel shortage ebesi wo Ghana ha fuel shortage ebesi wo Ghana ha because yenim wo mu WW4 na enye wanwa say ezi o master tia o mu pushi brain games no ade na ndu ba bia no na da bia ye ka say eya na sometimes no meme no dia be obi ka say yemido eye me ya by ade ba ko no say ama Ghana fo bebre ehunu no kure wom na o mu pick and choose eye analysis na sometimes aya omo ye no aya na emsre e say di omo say ade aba ne say omo no MPP fo ko share radio station a na say di omo hwe ne no di buga ene ntokwa na me ka kire MPP communicator ni bia oni NDC ni be ko radio TV say oye na agen say obedidi watama na ya akonwa na atese no pagya ne fa boni trim
Dabi eno dey retract
dabi mama me obi ti say
money team but on cabin chane dabi violent there
na yeni na hobsi ando ya na nim se ne ye hwe nso hie gu nsu yi na okọ attack oba e wo teams omudi na omkan because
dabi retract ba omi atie aya de o ma me want abete ye mfa ni agro and I know Kevin Taylor kosoma doctor de na yi no ye soma ne fefe what you say about violence will be fakonya or the body be okọ na me yakune de dawo nti se ani paden tabakonya no the body kim one so be o MPP communicator do ko prison straight up to mesre why papa o ka bi chire
ade gronja make us an say yesi ano omo fa MPP ni ba ko no ma fa NDC for miensa na ensem ni na ono ye referee no so ka ho ye nan na ensem chofo bi a omugu Ghana ha omuda ene ya me no ka say from last 3 weeks TV3 for ensem chofo last 2 weeks na omo wo Royal Senche omo workers and omo ji omoni be say 4 days this weekend ya omo sa kogu akwa safari omo sa eji omoni na ye sponsored by NDC for and omo sponsor wo mu because of
jina hama me asema wo kan no me ma unko ho me ka say ye ko do jo Mahama ho ma me
okay
MPP for ye bebu a memo ofie moto ye wo mrantie wo baba awa ni e wo stations bebre ni e wa kwanya nso say ye empower MPP e de na say ye nkwan ye tumi ani wo nyi yeti abemu no ye hweba opposition no e dominate all media stations and no ye nhwe ho ana ye ntumi ankeka ye ho se ene yeti abemu obo hwe de ekọ nti sa na tie kura de ye empower ye mabuni ye maba webi ye mie stations ma wo ye pompi sika wom ye nya ne se MPP for mutimi ye nti ene de udika atodi nyina no ma hihyo mo mfuru mo ma so mo nya dwuma ba wo no mo titi sika ma wo ni na sika ye de betu teacher for dances sika ye betu akwa for kado ye fa ma mo ni na mo kamfo aban no na Ghana for ho nkyere wo ma menua who am I
mama and de okay mama
do mama say
okay
me say asema me pese na me hu ne say ni abai ebe affect Ghana na pe de John Mahama catch na ye cover time
Debbie any Ghana any chokwa baby because entokwa no even Burkina for ntokwa kra anya effect also Togo for entokwa anya effect Cote d'Ivoire for ntokwa anya how much more about Iran anyway Debbie eno de because me pacho wo mu na dwane omu de nya no bi na Ghana ye die ensu omo no nya no bi na ye nom so tia say eti no adenti sika omu de nya no bi na ye die eti adenti na e be affect economy and I say about affect you. Debbie, so I mean, it's me that say, benefit so and trust so.
And whatever you do, Biano, you get a result. Okay, NDC for campaign messenger. Omu campaign here from 2023. Be do election time. Ghana for GD omu di 2 minimum. And then you can say and Sunday ma call NDC platform 5. Guest in I no mu so no. So mu ye nipa 6 emu 4 disappointed. Na wo hwe kasa na omu kan ebufo nde yo mu sikasa ntum say yes. They mean business. Na me sampa the reality na AYɛka say NDC will always lie in opposition, but when it comes to the governance, they lack common sense to just govern Ghana no. And na jumei. And then no NDC for nam category Ghana for say Ukraine Iran talk no e betimi affect Ghana. Oh really? Na omo kan say host no bo Mahama nakasa na numu some video di kira omo a. How do they feel as a party member now with TV so defending Mahama? Can say oh, ma yen fa petrol semunye politics. Tell me who say obi say we shouldn't do politics with such issues ah. Na me bisa o say why na dey politics? Mahama kroya na start here. Onu kroya na say from Ukraine edi ba Ghana no. Be something ma onu kwa na me who say from Ghana to Ukraine no. Ekwan wapa na minim da say from Ukraine to Ghana ekwan wasa Mahama na me who say from Ukraine to Ghana no enye kwan kitwa and then say we na amafo so kira say from Ghana to Iran no enye small journey o
na about me and the voice said 9,000 something
we there obi na kana say we there who hia nchechemu bia we obi kan tell say Iran talk one betimi affect Ghana enye no kware if there is something different they should come and tell us, but as we all know in this country there akwala sheni ma mechi kwa nim say entokwa bia koso wo wiase baby enu betimi affect Ghana.
Okay,
and say we president na uti kongwa so na we governor na kongwa so na enne ube kachire say etokwe bia ba ne nti ne hu betire ya ya bi ni mu de ye nti ase ma o and
na Dr. Perfect who conclude ampache who conclude ne say the person conclude in the shape form for being pache
yo the person be magana for ni nyina nti ase ye ne say and this amamu yo mu bu sesi ya no ye betimi aka kire omo ne say ye pese ye beti say ye see shop ya ba baby. But the Abani say you a run talk one no I affect yem pese ye beti because you can say ye tia enye yi and the mo bia so emba TikTok the catch say yenye Ghana for na yenye ma yen fa petrol semunye politics ube kasa ye bedi watem from head to toe ebe ka ma mini nyina obi because we don't have time for any explanation bia. Said the ombe chile koko no ye ntia se tia sia enye yie se petrol shortu diesel shortu anabo no kosoro a on my sancheche mu na ye ntia se because ye nim what caused the high inflation of the petrol and the dollar eteni de me pamcho ye mpese ye beti kura mama on nanchen ye pese ye beti on pese beti kura me sira